journey it has been. I have been to sorrow, I have been to bliss, where I'll be tomorrow I can only guess. Through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow, forward, always forward I go. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. Forward, always forward, onward, always up, catching every drop of hope in my empty cup. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. What a journey it has been. For all the times you spent with me, for all the funny memories, for the joy, laughter and tears we have shared through all these years. Thank you all for being here, for telling me what's right or wrong, for showing me where I belong. You were there to make me strong when I'm feeling all alone, as I hear you sing along with my song. Thank you for the happiness and loneliness that only you can bring. Thank you for the words you said that made me sad and made me realize that you are true and my friend, and you'll always be there until the end. Can't we make these memories happen once again? and loneliness that only you can bring. Thank you for the words you said that made me glad and made me realize that you are true and my friend, and you'll always be there until the end. Can't we make these memories happen once again? Oh, thank you for the words you said that made me glad, that made me realize that you are true and my friend.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Elsa. Wish you more blessings, good health, happiness, and more wealth to share to us. Okay, enjoy your retirement. Goodbye tensions, hello millions. I hope you can share your millions to us. Thank you so much, Ma'am Elsa, for the good times we shared together during my times in Villanueva. Once again, I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi! Congratulations, Ma'am Elsa Millanes, and happy retirement. At this point, you are so blessed. Why? Because you reached the pinnacle of the services. How I wish I can reach that age. Pero as I can see, nakita ka, parang teacher applicant. Age is just a number. Thank you for the services that you rendered during the time of my management as school principal in Chavez. We have a lot of things to tell, and most likely I can still recall when sometimes there are problems, there are activities in the school. You are so very active. Thank you for giving me a chance to give a short message with you. According to the American comedy Ginny Perret, retirement is wonderful. It's doing nothing without worrying about getting caught at all. Wala na. You are free. Living the legacy sa DepEd, and yet you can enjoy the life, less stress, travel. Wow. So it's really a blessing. Kami, we are praying nga maka-ginansya punta sa GSIS. The services that accumulated the years, kita unta maka-ginansya. We can enjoy life ahead. This is the beginning of your new life, the chapter of your life as a private person. And to traverse from the DepEd is a blessing. And I know that you are happy with your family. Congratulations. And enjoy life ahead. And pray always keep safe. And kami sab, ang posad nga, sama ka niyo, you can reach at that pinnacle age that we can retire at the age of, ako, 60 lang, so that I can baskog-baskog pa, makalakaw-lakaw pa. Thank you. Amping kanunay. O enjoy life. Importante, enjoy life. Ayun. I can see that you done your best. Life is a one way. No rewind, no, so to say, repeat or and I'm happy seeing you that you contribute much as a molder part of the DP. Thank you and God bless. Congratulations.
To the most charming MT and Ninang, I'm not gonna lie, you are so incredible. I have not known you for 65 years, but you are an inspiration to all of us. Happy birthday, Ninang Elsa. I love you.
Ma'am Elsa, finally the time has come. Thank you for your years of amazing and outstanding service in the Department of Education by touching the lives of others. You are truly a true professional who was led by example every day. Congratulations for making your career this far. Enjoy your permanent weekend, Ma'am Els, for your days without a day off is now officially begin. Happy birthday!
Hello, Ma'am Ninang Elsa. Ma'am, happy birthday, Ma'am. Bigyan ko ka to, Ma'am, nga 65 na ka, Ma'am. Kaya mura ra gyud kag 28. Kanang, Ma'am, thank you kay sa tanan, Ma'am, sa imong pagpalangga sa ako, sa amuha tanan, ilang sa ako kundi sa among tanan. Ma'am, salamat kay sa imong sa imong suporta, Ma'am, labi na sa unang way back before nga ST ko, Ma'am. Imo kong gigiyahan, imo kong gisuportahan, labi na ka ng finances, Ma'am, imo gyud kong natagaan, Ma'am. Hindi na ako nakalimutan, Ma'am. Thank you kay sa imong pagka-generous, Ma'am. Salamat sa tanan, Ma'am, nga imo natabang sa ako, Ma'am. I hope, Ma'am, nga kanang puon, mag-retire na ka, Ma'am, padayon gyapon ang imong pag-enjoy, happy lang gyapon always, Ma'am, kay always di ka na kung kakita nga malipayon, Ma'am. Salamat kay sa tanan, Ma'am El. So, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Els. Thank you for being with me, with us through the years. Happy retirement day. I love you.
Hi, Ma'am Els. I will always remember your kindness and wisdom that made a lasting impact not only to me but to all of us. Thank you, Ma'am Els. Happy birthday and congratulations on your well-deserved retirement.
Happy birthday, Mama. Please take care always. We love you.
Hi, Mami. Congratulations for reaching your goal to retire in this prestigious institution, the DepEd or Department of Education. You will no longer be tired of waking up in the morning to prepare your things and bound and going to school. For this retirement, it starts a new chapter of your life and for us to live together. I am praying to God the Almighty to give us more strength and courage to surpass all the forthcoming problems that we might be encountered as we trudge on earth we live. I know teaching is just your second course. You did not made up your dream course. You've been a dean of customs for 16 years. However, teaching made you happy with your colleagues in school who are very supportive to you. Our family as well support your daily endeavor. Again, congratulations for your retirement and happy birthday as well. We love you so much. God bless us.
Mami, happy birthday. All I wish is more years to come, more birthdays to come. Since we are not getting any younger and healthier, I hope that you will be more compliant with your medications. Kay labad na pagkikag ulo. As Dad said, -1 plus 1, so it's 0. So I hope, since I know that you want to live your life longer, you have to be more compliant with it. I pray that you have more blessings to receive this year and the more coming years. Mommy, I love you so much. I know what you said earlier. You said, I know you were not mistaken. It's with us. The problem is with us. But I don't want to dwell with this matter because it's your birthday, and for your retirement day, you should be happy. You should live your life to the fullest. Mommy, I love you so much. Please take good care always. And I know that lots of people love you, especially with your son-in-law, Naren. And thank you so much for supporting me for my love for him. Di din ako na malimtan. You are the first person who supports me with my married life, with my husband here. So thank you so much. Thank you for bringing me into this world. Kanang utang na ko sa imo ang akong life, and I will always remember that. So please don't worry. You must be more mindful of yourself. Enjoy for the rest of the day and for the rest of your life. Happy birthday and happy retirement day and the rest of the years to come. Okay? You?
Happy birthday, mom-in-law. Also happy retirement life. Wish you a happy and healthy retirement life, brother. Thank you for supporting us always. That's what I want to say. Thank you for everything.
Okay, that's it?
That's it.
Okay, so that's it. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Dear Mommy Elsa, I miss you and I love you.
Hello, Kumari Elsa. Happy birthday. As your retirement approaches, in behalf of Team Anin teachers, we wanted to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude for your incredible service and leadership throughout our time together. Our colleagues and co-teachers, you have been an inspiration to us all. As you embark on this new chapter of your life, we want you to know that your legacy will continue to shine brightly in our hearts and minds. Thank you, dear friend and co-teacher, for the friendship and your incredible leadership as our teacher club president for the past many years. And we are forever grateful for that. Wishing you a retirement filled with joy, relaxation, adventure, and endless happiness. Good luck, good health, God bless you, Mads. And happy birthday once again, Sarang Hamida.
Happy birthday, Teacher Elsa. Thank you kaayo sa imong suporta sa amo uban sa akong mga anak na ikaw buutan jud namo nga teacher. Isip usa ka namo kaginikanan nga maoy magtudlo sa maayong mga pamatasan dili lang kay sa ako sa akong mga anak. O thank you pud kaayo sa atong matag adlaw nga pag-uban dinhi sa atong school nga naa ko kanunay sa imong kiliran. Unsa man ang imong sugo naa pud ko nagauban kanimo. O thank you pud kaayo sa mga support or financial nga ginagmay nga nakatabang sa amo kinahanglanon sa matag adlaw. Salamat kay teacher nga ikaw wala gyud ka wala ka na gani ang nakamakubo sa pagtabang sa amoa, labi na gyud kay pobre pod kay me. Salamat pod kayo nga doon na pa teacher nga buutan nga nakahatag sa amoa sa kalipay sa among pamilya. Og salamat po kayo teacher sa mga pamilya nimo nga nahimo na pod namong inspirasyon, nga nahimo pod namo nga sa mga igsuon na pod namo ang imong pamilya og sa ila tanan, sa imong apo og sa imong mga igsuon chair, sa imong mga pagmangkon. Salamat pod kayo nga imo pod ming gipaila sa imong mga parente. Og wala na po ilaan kay istorya teacher katay mo hilak na pod ko ani nagilak na gani ko dan sa pagistorya. Og thank you kaayo teacher og happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Teacher Elsa! Happy birthday, Teacher Elsa! Thank you kayo sa tanan nga imong gipanghatag sa amo, and bisag gamay ra kayo to pero dako na to nga tabang para sa amo. Then sorry sa akong mga gipangbuhat sa pamatasan. Then thank you kayo sa mga guide nga imong gipanghatag sa ako, na learn kinako to. Salamat kay sa tanan and happy birthday.
Thank you for the happiness and loneliness that only you can bring. Thank you for the words you said that made me sad